Did you know that Claims Manager has a Reserves and Payment Summary flyout located under the Financial tab? Many in our user group have told us that this is a valuable tool that they utilize as a reference point when writing letters and emails. Coming soon in our 2018.01 release, by popular request, we have enhanced the flyout to include a lock. The locking mechanism will allow you to freeze the flyout in the expanded position for as long as you like. You can unlock the flyout by clicking the lock in the upper right-hand corner. Or by clicking anywhere else on the screen. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you.